Hey guys, so you think you want to do a reno? Come on in and see our latest renovation in Marlborough Park. As we've been saying, the Northeast is going off right now. Prices are increasing. This one here we picked up for $520 and comparable renovated properties are selling for $700. We're not selling this one. This is going to be a buy and hold, and we're putting in a legal suite. Let's check it out. So a couple of things, it's got great curb appeal, newer windows, newer roof. This was a well looked after home. Actually, original owners had it, and basically they really looked after it. So that's why we took it on. As you come in, you can see we're reframing here for a suite. This wall was never here before, and we're putting in the front door. It's got a landing, and we're putting in the door to access the upstairs suite right here. We ripped out the kitchen completely. Dennis, our client, and Priscilla, lovely couple. This is their fourth property.
Yeah, it's their fourth one.
With us. We did find some water under the dishwasher, so they're going to fix that issue. There's asbestos in the property.
They scraped the popcorn ceilings to get rid of the asbestos.
We scraped that out. We're actually getting our kitchen cabinets from Cupboards Express, which a lot of our clients have been using. The time frame for these renovations, Tim, is roughly 6 weeks.
Yep.
And everything's on track. But we had to get a washer and dryer. We're always looking for properties that when we go in there, if we're suiting, where are we going to get the washer and dryer upstairs? Is it going to be shared or is it going to be separate? The washer and dryer has been plumbed in. It's going to fit nicely in this closet. We kept the two large bedrooms back here. We're ripping out this bathroom and renovating that as well. You have a nice linen closet, and with only 2 bedrooms up, you actually get a huge master bedroom. So all that's going to happen in here is painting new flooring throughout. We're going to go with vinyl plank, and then you've got huge closets as well. Let's head on downstairs so you can see how we're going to put in a suite down there. Okay, so we actually put in a new furnace here, Armstrong, high efficiency furnace, and it was new ductwork.
This one's for downstairs, the other one back there is for upstairs.
Yeah, so it's got 2 furnaces, which is important to tenants so they can each control the heat. We're putting in a new panel. Currently we have 100 amp, we're putting in 200 amp. There's a bunch of new plumbing going through. As you can see, this used to be the storage room, and what we're doing is we're going to put in a U-shape.
Here, let me get over here.
Yeah, we go there, Jim. Off this post. Whenever you have a post like this, you have to kind of incorporate it. So we will put a wall in here and then an island style counter along here, so it's nice and open to the living room, and then a U-shaped kitchen in here. There'll actually be a door to go through here into the storage room. This will be storage, and then in here will be the washer and dryer for downstairs. One thing about raised bungalows or bi-levels is that the ductwork is bunched together, so you actually get higher ceilings. So whenever you're looking to suite a property, you want to find a property that has these higher ceilings. It just makes it more comfortable for tenants living down here, and it makes it brighter. If you look at the windows behind you there, you'll see how big the windows are, which makes it, again, you'll be able to achieve more rents. Back here, we're going to knock out the door. It's going to get noisy. Come on in. It's going to be 2 bedrooms down. This is the bathroom in here, and then 2 large bedrooms with good size windows as well. So this is Dennis and Priscilla's renovation. We're going to keep tracking it over the next 6 weeks, so you guys out there can see what it takes to do it. As we said, this property is a buy and hold property. It's not a flip. They're just going to rent it out and have a legally suited property in the Northeast.
What are the numbers again?
The numbers are 520 purchase. Roughly, it looks like initially, Tim, we were thinking of a $60,000 budget. That might be blown out now, upwards of $80,000 to $90,000. And renovated properties in this area are 700 plus. So there's plenty of room there, and also there's room to cash flow, even though those numbers are high, because Dennis will still be under $650,000 when all said and done, and basically have a brand new property. And the funny thing about this property, Dennis didn't even want to be in the Northeast. He wasn't even looking. Tim and I were showing him, Tim, we were looking at foreclosures down in the Southeast. We're looking at really rundown properties. And we showed him something that we thought, you know what, it's well looked after. You can get in here, do what you need to do, and have a good holding property. So that's our
One quick word about the basement suite rent. Can you talk about Gersh's brand new basement suite he put in?
So we have a client in Thorncliffe, Gersh, who just completed his renovations. Exactly what we're doing here is going to be replicated. And Gersh is achieving $2,000 per month rent from his basement suite in Thorncliffe. So $2,000 for the basement, $700 for his garage, and Tim upstairs was another $2,000. So it was like $4,700 in rent, and they were similar price points exactly to this one. So you can cash flow in this market. If you're new to watching us here on Crew TV, join our meetup group with over 6,000 investors. It's free. It will be in the description below, and we hope you can subscribe and keep following us.